So that moment, for the sort method, use the one more function as a key function. This is the syntax: key is equal to str dot lower. So by this, so you can get the case insensitive sort method. Case insensitive sort means irrespective of the case sensitive. Case sensitive, what it does, it will keep all the values which are started with the capital letters. Here case insensitive means no any case sensitive will be considered as it is. Whatever the state list is, that will be printed. Okay, that is called case insensitive sort method. By default, sort method is sorts the values which are started with the capital letters, but whenever you want to get as it is, you can use this str.lower. Okay, otherwise if you don't want use, simply you otherwise you put same. You can write this code as fruits. By default, sort method is case sensitive. Fruits dot sort. If you run this, what happened? Try to understand. Same thing. You are getting same printout. By default, it is what? By default, it is what? By default, it is case sensitive. Na? By default. By default, case sensitive means it keeps the capital letter first. But you want to, you don't want to, you want to get the list as it is. Okay, that moment what happens, you copy this one, you cut this one, and you put end of this one. Then moment what happened, try to understand. Now what happened, this method same, you are getting string lower. So we need to understand. So now whenever you request for why we are getting two same printouts here, as I told you that this is sort method. By default it gives all capital letter words first. So one time you have requested the print statement, one more time you have requested, that's why you are getting two printout statements. Okay, now if you remove this one, only you will get one printout statement. After that, print bracket sort. Then after sort method, print not sort, print fruits. So then here sorted list capital letters will be printed. Then small letters, the words, the value started with the small letters, they will be printed. Then after capital letters. See here, this is sorted list. Then here what we are getting as it is, we are getting the list. There is that list, papaya, banana, but no, banana, grapes, papaya. List sorted, okay, with the alphabetical order. Okay, after that what happened, watermelon. So it is sorted the list only as per the order. Order means what? Alphabetical order. First B, G, P, watermelon. So by default sort method, by this sort method, so capital letter words kept first and then small letter. After that, this is called, if you keep str.lower, it is a function. By that as a, if you use str.lower as a key function, okay, so it sorts the list as per alphabetical or ascending order. So next is what? Reverse order of a list, hash. So reverse order, what is the use of reverse order? It reverses the order of the list. It reverses the order of the list. Okay, let us see. Where is our list? This is the list. Our list is what? Papaya. This is the actual order. So it reverse order: grapes, watermelon, banana, papaya. So for that we need to first of all use fruits dot reverse method. Dot operator, you will get, this is the reverse method. Click on here method. I told you that having brackets means after that you print for fruits. After reverse, the list will be printed. So if you go for this, so this is reversed. So what is actual your print? Before this you put a print statement here. Before reverse order, print bracket fruits, print fruits. This is before reverse order. After that reverse order, you are requesting your print. So here this is the actual statement: banana, grapes, papaya, watermelon. After reverse order, watermelon first, papaya next, grapes next, banana last. This is the reverse order list. So that reverse method, we can reverses the order of the list. So many topics I have covered in Python, which is related with the lists. Okay, so somewhat basics I want to explain here. Suppose compile errors, whatever the compile error. Suppose x, you have x is a variable and you want to print x. So but x is not assigned with any value. That moment it will give error. X is a variable you have declared, but no any value assigned. That moment it will give which type of error? X, y10, x where I think you may have declared. So in somewhere else you have declared x. But if you take x now, if you take z, so now print z, but I have not assigned any value here. So what is name error? This is called, you need to understand so many errors. Okay, I told you that errors and exceptions and exception handling topic. Errors are what? Errors will be identified at the time of interpretation. They are called interpretation errors. Okay, interpretation means at this line, in which line? 154. At 154 line, you have not defined this z variable with a assigned, you have not assigned any value. So name error, name z is not defined. So z is to be defined with some value. So that is called what? Error, name error. So at this error found at the time of interpretation. Okay, interpretation, I told you that interpretation means converting the source code into machine code 0, 1. That moment this error was found. So after that execution time, exceptions will be identified at that runtime error. They are called runtime. Exceptions will be identified at the time of runtime. Okay, so whenever if you assign any value to this one 10, okay, now if